Nate in your state. Alrighty, we got you.
Take care.
Alrighty.
Hangry.
Hangry, man.
I like the hangry.
Yeah. Always gotta come hangry. Eathai.
We eat only the best, things to come style. That's what we do.
Touch the phone. You gotta pay for the meal.
Everybody says to try it, but it says it feels good when you get cracked.
You mean
like a massage.
acupuncture?
I feel like I'm gonna be the one that they're gonna, when they crack it, I'm gonna go paralyzed. I just feel I'm gonna be that one mistake.
I hope they send me some money because I just advertised for that.
No free advertisement. We gonna edit that. We gonna like a massage.
No free advertisement.
Ryan is critical, so he'll tell the truth.
The sauce is sweet.
Flavorful. That's what's up. All right. Yeah, man. I'm there. Oh yeah, I'm there, man. Hey, like we mess with drums. Drums are better than flats.
They better to eat though. They easier to eat. You gotta put the pinky up when you eat it.
It's nice and hot. That's one. The sauce is nice and sweet. That Thai sauce. That's just right. It's not even spicy like that. I don't know if it's my taste buds, but it's just right. This is an alligator fritter. Never had alligator in my life.
You're gonna have it today.
I'm gonna have it today. So before I dip it, I'm gonna try it by itself. It tastes like chicken, but it has more of like a General Tso's chicken texture.
They don't taste like chicken.
It has that texture. More like a scallop texture.
It's definitely more chewy than chicken. I'm tired of people putting stuff like chicken.
It tastes like chicken.
It does not taste like chicken. A price of $300 does not look like a Bentley. Alligator does not taste like chicken. Listen, I like it more in the sauce.
It's better in the sauce. This sauce is spicy.
You don't like it? You gotta put it in the sauce, Missy.
Put it in the sauce.
Actually, it reminds me of it has like a fish, almost like a fish.
That's what I'm down. That's what
Almost
I
like a
said.
fish thing in the beginning.
That's why I said scallop.
Yeah, it's like a fish thing. Yeah. I like it though.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, it's good.
I want to
The
know
first time I had
what
alligator.
It's good. I like it. I like it.
Hey, we got it.
Here we go. Hey, I like it. Thank you. Oh, thank you very much.
Be careful with the salt, okay?
It's very spicy? Okay. Okay. Eathai was definitely a spot that I recommend folks to go and visit. The owner, he was such a cool gentleman, man. He made sure that we got our food. He asked us if we enjoyed our meals. The staff, too, was very friendly, and the food came out on time. The food was delicious, man. And I definitely recommend that people come check out this spot in Delray Beach, Florida. First, I would say that we enjoyed the food, man. My brother enjoyed the food. My cousins, they enjoyed the food. When we got our main course, man, we all enjoyed our food, man. Especially mine with my shrimp. Yo, they gave me so much shrimp. I mashed that up, man. I mashed that up. That was so good, I couldn't stop eating that thing. I definitely should have taken a plate to go. But, I mean, that saves room for the next time I'm up in Delray Beach. I can go hit up Eathai. So if you go hit up Eathai, make sure you let So know that Nate sent you and Shawayne sent you, because this is the spot, man. This is a good spot.
My name is Ryan Walters, but I'm now going by Saki Don. I would show you the label, but like I said, no free advertisement.
But that's the best of the best. You gotta show the best.
No, it's the best of the best.
You know what you're drinking.
If you tune into the channel, for the next episode, I'll tell you the name. I know they want to know.